Solid Joke Card. Thank you po.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. So, yun po, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the ALM family, ALM Talent and Management, and of course, sa founder po ng Kalinga, Kuya Val Santos Matubang, Ate ng Vlogs, and of course, Kalinga Parag. And also to my partner,